Millions of people use dollars every day, but almost nobody knows the dark, hidden process behind how they are made. Today, I'm taking you inside a factory so secure that even cameras are usually banned. Our story starts with something very simple: paper. But this is not normal paper. Dollar paper is made from 75% cotton and 25% linen. That is why it does not tear easily and why it feels different from regular paper. The cotton and linen fibers are mixed with water in giant machines. As the mixture dries, it forms strong sheets. During this stage, security features like blue and red security fibers and a security ribbon are added into the paper. This paper is made only for the US government, and no one else in the world is allowed to produce it. Once the sheets are ready, they move to the next section: plate making. Here, skilled artists called engravers use special tools to carve extremely detailed designs on metal plates. They carve portraits, numbers, symbols, and patterns by hand. It can take weeks or even months to engrave just one plate. These plates are what give the dollar its famous sharp lines and detailed artwork. Next comes intaglio printing, the most important step. In this printing method, ink is pushed deep inside the engraved lines of the metal plate. The paper is then pressed against the plate with thousands of pounds of pressure. This creates a raised texture you can feel with your fingers. That unique texture makes the dollar very hard to copy. Now the sheets go to the offset printing area. Here, the background colors like light green, peach, or blue are printed. This part adds depth and design to the note. At the same time, special color-shifting ink is added. If you tilt the dollar, some numbers change color. That is another anti-counterfeit trick. After offset printing, the sheets go through inspection machines. These are high-speed scanners that check every detail on the sheet. If even one small print line is wrong, the machine rejects the sheet instantly. Quality control in dollar production is extremely strict because even a tiny mistake can create a counterfeit risk. Once the sheets pass inspection, they move to serial numbering. This is where each note gets its unique identity. Large machines print the black or green serial numbers and the treasury seals. No two bills ever have the same number. This helps track the dollar worldwide. After numbering, the sheets rest so the ink can fully dry. Then, workers carefully cut the large sheets into individual notes. One sheet usually contains 32 or 50 dollar bills depending on the machine used. Finally, the bills are counted, stacked, and packed into bundles. Each bundle contains exactly 100 notes. Hundreds of these bundles are then sealed in blocks and placed into secure boxes. Finally, the dollars get transported. Armed trucks carry the new dollars to the Federal Reserve banks. From there, they enter the US economy. ATMs, banks, shops, and eventually the pockets of people around the world. And that is the journey of a dollar bill. From cotton and linen fibers, to engraved metal plates, to high-pressure printing, to strict inspection, and finally into circulation. Every note goes through dozens of steps, many security stages, and countless checks. The process is slow, careful, and extremely secure, and that's what keeps the US dollar trusted worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This helps you get more of our historical and informative videos with ease.